Welcome to this lesson. Here we talk about construction schedules, and we'll go ahead and discuss window and door schedules in ArchiCAD, how to extract them and how to save them. So when you are building our project in ArchiCAD, when you are constantly creating the walls and updating our project, putting the necessary furniture in place, putting the windows and doors in place, and the necessary tags, all this information is being saved in a very diligent way, in a way that we can be able to access the information graphically from 3D models, from 2D elevations, and we can also be able to access this information from construction schedules. And these schedules are very important when we start performing quantity takeoffs in ArchiCAD. In this video, I will show you how to extract window and door schedules and how to do customizations to the information that is contained in those schedules. So without wasting time, let's go to document. Under document, we have schedules. Then under schedules, we have these types of schedules that are included here. We have a wall schedule, all opening schedule, door schedule, window schedule, and these others here. So in this video, we are interested in door schedule and window schedule. So click on door schedule, and when we click on the door schedule, this is the information that is going to be displayed on your screen. So another way of accessing the schedules is going to the project map. Then under schedules, below these elements, we have this list of schedules that is available here. So you can see we have door schedule selected. So the door schedule is something that is similar to a table containing information, and in this case we have this type of information represented. We have the element ID by classification, opening name, quantity. We have window size, seal height, and head height. We still have a 2D symbol, the back view. We have information such as fire resistance rating, thermal transmittance, sound transmission class, fire exit, handicap accessibility, and security ratings. All this is the information that we created when we were developing our floor plan. Because this is, we need to be able to preview this. Rather, we need to be able to see the kind of information that this table contains. And down here, under scale, if you click on the available zoom factors here and set that to 100, you are now able to see this information starts fitting on the screen, and you can see the 2D representations of the various doors that we have here. So to customize what you are seeing on the screen right now, we should go to scheme settings. So this is scheme settings. Click on this and it's going to open this window, and this window has options for searching fields that we want to include to this schedule. And here under fields for the door schedule, we have this as the information that we were seeing in the table, and I want to remove the information that I am not using. So click on this to remove them, then go to this and remove it. Then when you are done, click OK, and then we are going to have the information filtered, and now we have a more comprehensive, rather we have a simple representation that we are able to understand. So still I want to remove this one and this. So back to scheme settings again, and then we will have one is to zone, the other one is from zone. So this, click on this and then click remove and remove, then click OK. It is going to refresh and you will see that information on your screen. So this is the information, rather these are all the doors that are part of our project. The good thing with this schedule is that we can be able to edit the appearance of these doors, because it is connected to, rather it is in an intelligent way. It is possible for us to be able to edit how this appears both in 2D and still in terms of these tags and information that we have here. So for example, let's say I wanted to edit this. What I will do is I'll double click on it, then it's going to open a preview of that door in 2D, and let's say I wanted to indicate the dimensions, I'll just activate the dimension tool here, then click and place that dimension, zoom and click here and here and place that dimension, and then I will select them, open the settings dialog for that, and under text style I want to have the font size as 1.2, so that way, and we are done. So when we put these editings that we have indicated there, I'll go ahead and close this. Then it is going to give me a warning which is asking me whether I want to save the changes that I've made or I want to discard those changes. So I'll select that I want to save the changes, click on save. Then after that you will see this door here, the dimensions are now appearing on our schedule. So that's how to make changes. So this information is going to be helpful when we are developing a bill of quantities for our project. So let's save this to PDF. So we go to file menu. So go to the file menu, then select save as. Then we'll have this. We select that we want to save it in the desktop, and we want to save this as so the file name is going to be IES03.schedule. Then save as type, click on this drop down, then select PDF file, then select this to have to open file after save. Then we have page options. We'll have A4 isometric, and this is a landscape orientation, and click OK. Then we have the scale as custom. Then we'll save the PDF with color and click OK. So after that, so just click save. So after clicking save, we have our door schedule saved as a PDF, and this is a 2-page document. You can see all the doors that we had selected for our project are now represented here, and we have information such as the window size and the 2D simple and the back view in terms of 3D. So let us close this and get back to ArchiCAD. Then we'll navigate to the floor plan again, then back to document, under schedules we'll click to open the window schedule. This is going to give us the list of all the windows that we have for this project. When that is open, we click on this so that we can make these elements fit, make the elements fit on the screen. Let's have this zoom as 100. So with that, we also get a table with the different kinds of information about the windows that we have for the project, and all these, some of these are irrelevant because we have not customized them. So to filter the information that appears on this schedule, we go here under scheme settings, then we'll select this field and remove them. So remove that, remove thermal transmittance and fire rating. Then we have from zone, remove, and select this to zone and remove, then click OK. So let's see what we have. We have element ID, we have the classifications. I think I will want to do away with this classification, and then the orientation too. So get back to scheme settings, click on orientation, then click remove, then click on dynamic ID by classification, then click on remove. These are going to be our table headings that and this is the information that is going to be represented about our windows. So when you click OK, the schedule is going to refresh, and you will have this as the information that is included for the window schedule. So as we had seen with the doors, it is also possible to make it to edit the appearance of these 3D back views and 2D simples for our window while we are on the window schedule. So just double click on that, then it's going to open this preview, and you can do the editing that you want to do. And from there, when you click, let's say you make some editing, so we add a fill. Let's add a fill here. It's not showing. Let's add a fill down here. just add that fill. So with that fill in place, so when you click to close and then save changes, then you'll be able now to see this as the fill that we have introduced. So that's how to make changes on your own time. I will suggest that on your own time you look at the necessary changes that you can include, then make those changes, and from there save this as a PDF. So we go to file, click save as, and we'll have this saved as IES04 window schedule, and save as type, we'll have that selected as PDF file. We'll choose to have the file opened after save. Then we'll have under page options, we'll have A4 isometric landscape orientation. Click OK, then click save. So the window schedule has been saved in a PDF format, and this is the document that we have. So this is saved in my computer. I'll be sharing this in the resources section. So close this, and then we get back to ArchiCAD, and that is how to extract, customize, and save window and door schedules from ArchiCAD.